Hi there, in this video we will be discussing some of the skills that require only time investment. So if you are a student, if you don't have enough capital to pay for a skill like me, then this video will be helpful for you, as we are going to discuss some of the skills that will not require any money investment. You will only have to invest some time, have some patience, and automatically things will get satisfied. Okay, the first one is programming. Okay, for programming you only need to have a computer and internet, or laptop and internet, or Mac or internet or anything like that, and I hope that you will have access to those. Internet you will have access as you are watching this video, and if you don't have access to a system, you can also start learning on mobile, but that is not recommended because typing on mobile is very difficult for programming, as we again and again have to switch the keyboards for brackets and so on. So next ideas will be helpful for you if you don't have access to a computer, but if you have, then programming is a latest domain. You can learn some latest concepts of AI in field of programming, and that will be very much good for you. You will be so much in demand as you will be done with your 6 month, 7 month, or 1 year of learning. The next one is marketing. Now as a programmer, I know that marketing is very difficult for me. I don't know how to tell people and spread my services that I can do this, but some people, they know, they are well in marketing. So marketing is a good skill that you should learn, that you can learn. Okay, the next one is social media marketing. These are the same ones on social media. Create your Instagram account, create your Facebook account, create your any other account. Use Canva, which is free, for making banners, thumbnails. I design my video thumbnails on Canva, by the way. So I'm well aware with some of the concepts of social media marketing, but I haven't seen much good results yet. But if you are professional, if you will learn this skill for even a month or more, then you will be even more in demand. Okay, the next one is cooking. Now everyone have the meal of cooking in their house, so in the future, why cooking? So in the future you can start up your business at Food Panda. You can cook something and sell on Food Panda, or other references like you can make a cake and sell it to your friend or your friend's friend or anything like that. So that will be a good thing as well. You will not have to sit on the laptop and screen time. No, you will be cooking, you will eat yourself as well, your family as well, and your friends as well. Okay, the next one is learning something about your field. If you are studying the subject sciences, then the science subjects, then you can learn something advanced about physics or chemistry or whatever subject you have, so that you will be valuable when you end up your study, because after you have done your studies, your admissions of the next studies will open, so you can apply for those with your already well knowledge mind that you have learned along with your learning. Other than that, also you can make money by this, by teaching these skills to others. Like I taught the metric and inter students physics. That's why I was talking about physics and math also. I have taught math specifically. So once you are professional in one subject or two, then people will reach you and they will say, okay, can you please teach me this or something like that. And yes, that is also good. And any other subject, it can also not be your study related. That if I am studying the medical and I am learning the programming, so it doesn't mean that I am doing something wrong. It is totally okay to merge these two subjects. Everyone knows that these two subjects are interrelated as well in many domains. So yes, once you are doing your medical and learning programming, someone can reach you to like, okay, I want this project, can you do this? Or I want this project about medical images in the programming, can you do it? You will say, okay, I am familiar with the medical and I am familiar with the IT, so I can do that. So that will be also a good thing. These were some of the domains that I wanted to discuss, that you can start learning without any investment except the investment of time. So the time, we keep on scrolling the social media, Instagram, instead of wasting your time there, you can start learning a valuable skill which will make you earn a good amount after a considerable time. I'm not saying that it will start paying in week or 2 or 3 or 4 or 8. These can take time, but if you will have luck, you can start earlier too. Start learning half hour a day, 1 hour a day, half hour a day, 1 hour a day, no more than that. If you will have interest, the thing will automatically grab your time. So yes, get ready for that.